Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change username on Quora app. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Quora app. Make sure you have already downloaded Quora app on your device. Here tap on profile icon that is located on top left corner. When you tap on it, it will simply show you this kind of interface. Here tap on profile again. You can see arrow on right side, tap on it. So this is your profile page. Here click on edit profile. Now it will show you different options to edit your name, to edit your profile credential, to edit your bio. So for now we are here to change our username. So tap on edit name. You can see pencil icon on right side, tap on it. And now change your username. And tap on done button. So you have successfully changed your username on Quora app. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.